Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are diving deep into the crash test results of the all three generation of the Dacia Duster. We'll analyze each generation performance in adult occupant protection, child protection and overall safety features. So let's find out which generation stands out most in terms of safety. But before starting, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For you is free, for us is very important. The 2011 Dacia Duster had a stable passenger compartment in the frontal impact, but there were significant issues. The rear door opened during the test and chest protection for both front seats occupants were rated as marginal. Also, additionally, structures in the dashboard represented a risk to occupants of different sizes, and the side barrier test saw the driver's door opened, leading to penalties. Regarding the child occupants, the 2011 Duster scored maximum points for the 18-month dummy with good control of head movement for the 3-year-old dummy in frontal impacts. However, the clarity of the airbag deactivation status was poor, and the warning level was not permanently attached. Also, the protection against whiplash injuries was rated as marginal, indicating room for improvement in rear-end collisions. The second generation of the Dacia Duster, launched in 2017, showed improvements with a stable passenger compartment in the frontal offset test. However, head injuries value for the driver in the full with rigid barrier test were poor. In the side barrier test, the Duster scored maximum points with good protection, though whiplash protection remained marginal. For child occupants, the Duster provided good protection overall, but chest protection for the 6-year dummy was marginal in the front offset test. The airbag deactivation status was clear and the installation of child restraints was mostly successful, despite some ISOFIX marking issues. So while there were improvements, the 2017 Duster still showed some weakness, particularly in whiplash protection. And back to our times, the 2024 Dacia Duster 3rd generation exhibit a stable passenger compartment with good protection for knees and femurs. However, chest protection for the drivers was rated as weak in the frontal offset test. Side impact test showed good protection across the board, but far side impact protection was poor due to the lack of countermeasures for head-to-head contact. Also, for child occupants, the Duster provided good protection in both frontal offset and side barrier impacts, except the adequate neck protection for the 10-year dummy. The airbag deactivation status was clear and all child restraints were properly accommodated. The 2024 Dacia Duster includes advanced features like e-call system and secondary impact prevention, showing significant advancement in safety technology. And as a final conclusion, we can clearly say that while each generation of the Dacia Duster has shown improvement in crash test performance, the 2024 model stands out with its advanced safety features and overall good protection rating. However, there are still areas that needs improvement, particularly in far side impact protection. Safety has clearly evolved with each generation, making the latest Duster the safest yet. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.